What's up everyone? Have you ever wondered if you could actually get that high-end $1,000 premium feel without actually emptying your bank account? Usually, when we look at budget phones, there's always a catch: either the screen looks like a brick or the processor belongs in a museum. But for 2026, Samsung is dropping a total bombshell that is about to flip the script. I'm talking about the all-new Samsung Galaxy A18 5G, and trust me, the leaks hitting the internet right now are absolutely wild. If you're ready to finally find your dream phone on a budget, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive into these killer features. Features of the Galaxy A18 5G. Display. First off, let's talk about the thing that's going to make you fall in love at first sight: the display. Samsung has completely shattered the budget ceiling here by packing a massive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel. But the real magic is in the bezels, or lack of them. We are looking at a 93.6% screen-to-body ratio. When you're binging Netflix or scrolling through Reels, it's going to feel like you're holding a piece of glass from the future, not a cheap device. Plus, that 90Hz refresh rate keeps everything buttery smooth, and Gorilla Glass 6 is there to make sure an accidental drop doesn't turn into a heartbreak. Camera setup. Of course, the number one question I always get is, how's the camera? Well, listen up, because the photography squad here is elite. On the back, you've got a 50-megapixel main sensor that pulls in light like a vacuum, making night shots look like broad daylight. You also get a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens so no one gets cropped out of the group hang, and a 2-megapixel macro lens for those crisp close-ups. For the creators out there, the 16-megapixel selfie cam uses that same premium color science we used to only see on the expensive S series. Your social media game is about to level up. Performance. Now, you're probably thinking, does it just look good, or does it actually move? Let's talk about the engine. Samsung is betting big on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. This is a 4nm powerhouse that doesn't just give you lightning-fast 5G, it handles heavy gaming and intense multitasking without turning into a space heater. And here's the most shocking part: this phone is expected to launch with Android 16 right out of the box. While other companies are still stuck on old updates, you'll be rocking the latest tech before anyone else. Battery backup. To keep this entire beast running, Samsung packed in a massive 5000 mAh battery. Whether you're on a YouTube marathon or grinding through a 12-hour workday, this phone is not quitting on you. And when you do need juice, the 25-watt fast charging gets you back in the game fast. Price and launch date. So, what's the damage to your wallet? If the leaks are right, Samsung is positioning this masterpiece between $230 to $250. If that holds true, this isn't just a budget phone, it's the killer of the year. We're expecting a launch around April 2026, so it's right around the corner. Are you ready to trade in your old device for this budget flagship? Or do you think there's another phone out there that can take it down? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, let's talk about it.